So we're just down here on this beautiful Sunday at Surfers Paradise, and we've also got some Raptor 2s with us as well. We're going to go see if anyone wants to go for a free ride down the beach. Are you a ex-race car driver?
Roadblocks are my damage, mate. That's what got me in a lot of trouble.
Yeah. So, okay, the way to stand on a skateboard, if you haven't done it, is 1 foot up the front, 1 at the back. Simple. And then you steer by leaning. So, jump on. I'm going to put my foot here so it doesn't move. Now, this is your controller. Remember what I said, forward is forward, back stops. Press forward really slowly though, because you watch. If you go too quick, it goes fast. On that, and lean forward a little bit. Yeah, now you're good. And if you want to stop, yeah. So we're just making a video today. Well, so this is the hand controller. If you press forward, it goes forward, right? You pull back.
It's soon to get going. Oh yeah.
It's a good spot for it, isn't it?
Oh, like,
yeah.
How much you sell them? It's very good, thank you. Thank you for the trial. Very nice.
No worries, man.
Should try.
No? Go for a cruise, brother.
You know how it works.
Ah, sorry, I should explain it.
Yeah.
So, forward makes you go forward, pulling it back is a brake.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so do it really gently though. If you push it straight away, yeah.
But you will understand with skateboard.
And it's not even on the performance mode, it's on slow mode.
You're already enjoying.
You know what a brake is?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
Whoa!
Enjoying it. Oh, good. Awesome.
It's better than bicycle. No, it's better than bike. Motorcycle.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. Like it's
good, man. Yeah. I'm glad you like it.
How much is it?
How'd you see?
This is very new. We've only just sort of hit the market with this, so you'll see more of these over time, but at the moment, these are rare.
How long did it last? How long does it last?
The battery, you can ride up to 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers?
Yeah,
oh,
so
it's enough.
In terms of time, I mean, an hour and a half of riding. About.
All right.
But depends on, like for me, I'm bigger,
Okay.
I use the power quicker. If you're lighter, it will last longer, you know?
Yeah.
Cool, man. I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you.
No worries, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly.
I've never ridden a skateboard. Am I gonna die?
Okay, no, you're not. So one up there and one about here, and he's got thrown, and slowly press forward. And awesome! Natural.
Yeah, I'm not dying. That's good. I'd call it a success. Well, okay, let's not jinx it. Oh shit, he's overtaking me. He's overtaking me. It's on. It's bloody on. Yeah.
You reckon you can make the corner?
Oh god. Nope. Right, let's do it. time of my life.
Do you want me to put it on like fast mode now?
No. That was fast mode. I made a corner. There's
Yeah, we
footage,
made
there's
a
evidence.
corner.
We made a corner.
Yeah, and the thing is that board's set up for my weight as well, so it's really pretty hard to turn for.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Yeah. Yeah, so it makes it a bit tricky.
I like it.
Yeah.
And I just, once I figure out cornering, I feel like you'd pick that up real quick.
Yeah, the good thing, because it's got a brake, I think that's
Yeah.
a nice piece of confidence building
It
technology. It's like, I just can slow down.
Yeah.
On
and
a normal
that's it. Like
skating,
people were there, I'm like, people! And I'm like, oh.
Yeah, you can try a normal skateboard if you want. It's probably harder.
Do I have a definition? I feel like don't do it.
You have no scars on you today, so
No.
you know.
I have
done
made
all right.
it. I have made it. And there's no casualties. Everyone's still alive out there.
Yeah.